Most photographers don't struggle because of bad cameras. They struggle because they keep repeating the same mistakes. And the worst part, some of these mistakes are made by professionals too. Let me show you 5 mistakes almost every photographer makes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, shooting without making a clear decision. Most people raise the camera and start shooting immediately. Later, they look at the photos and say, what was I thinking? What was interesting in this frame? What was my purpose? What am I trying to convey in this image? The photos feel empty because nothing was decided. I know there are some times that we are taking the camera, we're going outside, and we are trying to shoot at the moment. That is completely fine. But if we are trying to take purposeful images, we need to make decisions before. Is it fine art? Is it a landscape? Is it a portrait? What kind of feeling we are trying to convey? Are we going to take peaceful images? Are we trying to convey stress to the viewer? Are we trying to document something through our image? So you need to ask all of these questions before taking the camera and go somewhere. And this is how to fix it. One subject, one intention, one frame. Piece of cake. Not a piece of cake, but it's not that hard. Mistake number 2, letting settings lead the shot. Photographers love numbers. Aperture, ISO, shutter speed, but numbers don't create strong images. Light does. You can have technically correct settings, but still your photos end up being lifeless. I will tell you how to fix it. Before touching the camera, observe where the light comes from, how it shapes the subject, what it reveals, and what it hides. Now, after observing these things, you can adjust the shutter speed, aperture, and ISO on your camera in a correct way. Take a look at this video of mine, which is about light triangle. Mistake number 3, copying images instead of understanding them. You see a photo online and you try to recreate it, but copying doesn't train your eye. It only recreates the surface. You copy the pose, you copy the light, and you copy the angle. And the result, a familiar photo that has nothing new to say. And this is how to fix it. Instead of copying the photo, ask, why does this work? What could be removed? Strong images come from understanding, not imitations. If this way of learning photography helps you, click the FK button and subscribe. You'll learn photography like an artist, not like a robot. Mistake number 4, a very important one, forgetting the background. Most photographers focus only on the subject, but backgrounds quietly destroys the photo. Bright spots, messy lines, random objects are stealing the attention. Before clicking the shutter, scan the entire frame, edges, corners, behind the subject. If all of these things are not helping the photo, remove them. A clean background makes everything stronger. Mistake number 5, thinking too much, seeing too little. This one is subtle and dangerous. You hesitate, you overanalyze, you doubt, and the moment is gone. Good photographers are not rushed, but they're also not frozen by the thoughts. This is how to fix it. Observe first, shoot when it feels right, and analyze later. Take the photo with instinct, refine it later with logic. Here's a simple habit. One subject, one photo. Then ask yourself, where does the eye go? What matters most? What doesn't belong? Do this regularly, even without posting. That's how your eye gets trained. Last but not least, photography isn't about avoiding mistakes. It's about noticing them and improving. Stop rushing, stop copying, start observing. Stay curious, keep learning. I'll see you in the next video.